Hello and welcome. Today I am going to give some information about the .NET Core 3 Preview 7 version. And the reference is the Microsoft sources, which I will put there is a link on this slideshow, but I will put it as a description in the video on the YouTube. Okay, so let's go through it quickly. Release date and features. So Microsoft announced .NET Core 3.0 Preview 7 on July the 23rd, 2019. They have transitioned from creating new features to polishing the release. And Visual Studio users need Visual Studio 2019 16.3 Preview 1 to use .NET Core 3.0 Preview 7. .NET Core 3 Preview 7 is supported by Microsoft and can be used in production. And Microsoft strongly recommend to test the individual apps running on Preview 7 before deploying Preview 7 into production. And any issues with .NET Core 3.0 can be filed as a GitHub issue. Now that is on this, excuse me, this link. But I will again, this is https://github.com/.net/core/issues. Okay, but I will always put it in the description link again. Now only very few changes will be made as announced by Microsoft henceforth, except Windows Presentation Foundation, that is WPF, Windows Forms, Blazor and Entity Framework. So what are the main features? This time they had this in this Preview 7 of .NET Core 3, they had SDK size improvements. Now .NET Core SDK is significantly smaller with .NET Core 3.0. The main reason being that Microsoft changed the way they constructed the SDK. They have now moved to purpose-built packs of various kinds, reference assemblies, frameworks, templates. In earlier versions, including .NET Core 2.2, Microsoft constructed the SDK from NuGet packages that included many artifacts that wasted a lot of space and not required as well. So some of the links to the resources from which I have created this video, that is .NET Core 3 release notes. Again, this will be put on the description. And then API difference .NET Core 3 Preview 6, that was the previous Preview 6 versus .NET Core 3 Preview 7. So these are the API differences, and GitHub releases on this link. And then report issues, you can report issues on this. That's it.